Federal help arrives for a local hospital trying to keep up with the surge of COVID patients. Christian Hospital in North St. Louis is getting that relief with the group of doctors and nurses coming in.
Justina Cornell learns the impact this will have on frontline workers and the community.
We welcome these physicians and these nurses and these providers that will be here today.
Help arrived at Christian Hospital on Wednesday, assisting as FEMA's U.S. Navy military medical personnel.
A team of 44 healthcare professionals, including doctors and nurses and therapists.
The arrival comes after the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force asked for federal aid almost 3 weeks ago.
We sent the letter to Governor Parson.
Earlier this month, Congresswoman Cori Bush also insisted on Missouri Governor Mike Parson to ask for federal help immediately.
North County was hit very hard. It was the Black community in North County that was suffering the most from COVID.
The St. Louis Pandemic Task Force believes that if the team comes here to North County, it could also be a way to help the rest of the area.
Christian Hospital was a priority because of the region that it serves and because of the amount of stress that it was under. And it's going to make a difference, I think, for the entire region.
The 44-person crew shows up as hospitalizations and admissions trend down. However, levels are still higher than any point before the Omicron surge.
Hospitals remain full. Our emergency departments are full, and there's not a whole lot of room in our ICUs. So although this is improving, many of our staff continue to be out because of COVID.
Understaffed and overwhelmed. A scene Bush saw for herself in November.
We were able to walk around the hospital and I was able to talk with the nurses and talk with the other staff. And this was before Omicron hit and they were already overworked and tired.
The task force admits it'll take some time to decompress the overload hospitals face, but the helping hands arriving Wednesday can alleviate some stress that's been piled on.
Because we're still in this vulnerable time, it's really a welcome sign of relief that federal help is going to be arriving.
Justina Cornell, 5 on your side.
The federal team will stay at Christian Hospital for about a month. Dr. Clay Dunnigan with the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force says as far as high hospitalization rates in the area, we may have turned the corner. He believes the worst is behind us.